Questions 19 and 20 refer to the following information. Each fish tank is represented by the following figures. This is a cylinder, and this is a cone. So evidently these are some fish tanks in funky shapes. One thing that I want to check always with this type of problem is that my units match. If you had inches or yards thrown in there, it's a good idea to go ahead and get them on like terms. But we're good in this case. So number 19. 1 cubic foot, and that actually matches what's up there. That's a good thing. 1 cubic foot is equal to 7.48 gallons. Which expression can be used to determine the number of gallons of water needed to fill tank 1 completely? Now, I believe they gave us the formulas. Let me see if I can find a formula sheet. Yes, the formula sheet is on page 3 of your test packet. And for a cylinder, volume is area of the base times the height. And the base is a circle, so that is pi r squared times the height. And then for the cone, you have 1/3 of the base. Well, I'm getting lazy here. Volume is 1/3 of the base times the height. And the base is a circle, so that's 1/3 of pi r squared h. So these two formulae are very similar. It's just that the cone has that 1/3. So this one is there and this one is there. The only difference is the 1/3. Okay, back to the question. I'm down a rabbit hole there. Which expression can be used to determine the number of gallons of water? So we're going to need this figure as well to fill tank 1 completely. So the volume of tank 1 is pi r squared h. And then whatever that would be, we're going to have to multiply it by 7.48 because that's the number of gallons per cubic foot. So pi never changes. Pi is constant. But the radius of this thing is 2 feet. And that would get squared. The height is 8 feet. And then don't forget the 748. That's actually your cubic foot per gallon factor, and that would get multiplied in. So I'm liking what I see already in option A. It matches up exactly, just in a different order. So I guess that's not exactly. You've got the 2 squared. You've got the 8. You've got the 7.48. And you've got pi. So everything matches 1 to 1. That's what you're looking for. So the answer to number 19 is A as in alpha.